Morning, discount dolls. I am doing something today that I haven't done in probably a little while. As you can see, I'm doing a what I eat in a day. And it's starting off really exhausted. I was out yesterday all day, got burnt, so I am going to be doubling my intake of water to help combat that. And I am also trying something brand new to me, and that is overnight oats. I made these last night. It's just oats, almond milk, unsweetened, cinnamon, chia seeds, a pinch of salt, and I think that might be it. And then on top, I just have these really yummy dark chocolate. Here, I have the bag. It's like the Prana dark chocolate Inca Trail chocolate bark with cranberries, nuts, and seeds. These are so good. All they have in it, it says cocoa dark chocolate. Where is that? Cranberries, almonds, cashews, raisins, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sea salt. That is it. So I'm just finishing off the last of that bag. That was a treat for me personally. It was on sale. It was like 3 something. But as usual, I will have the costs somewhere up in the screen. And of course, I lost my train of thought. Anyways, we will start out what I eat in a day with breakfast. I'm going to polish this off while I do some work. Okay, so I have been vegging in the bedroom for a little while now, just kind of working on my phone and charging my phone because my phone really sucks. And now I'm kind of thinking lunch should be in order considering it's 12:30 something. So I guess that's what we'll do next. Even though all I want to do on this Sunday with this burnt face is sleep. But let's go and get that done. No, seriously, let's go get that done. Okay, now I thought I was going straight to cooking, but of course, you have to do your dishes before you can make more dishes. So, here's what I'm doing instead. These are my new vitamins. They're the Herbaland, and in French too. They're the Herbaland Vegan D3 and B12. These are amazing. They taste and texture wise are like a Swedish berry. They are so good. I'm gonna leave a link down below to where you can get these. They are bomb.
Okay, so today's going to be a little bit of a mishmash day. I'm just feeling my vegetables, especially from the market. So, just basically some grilled zucchini, pickled veggies that I made a couple weeks ago, some tomato and onion on some delicious David's Killer bread. This is definitely a splurge, this bread, but honestly, it tastes and smells so good. It's definitely worth it. I have long learned that a little splurge on certain items is totally okay. So I like to toast my bread in a frying pan. I know it seems old school, you have toasters, you have toaster ovens and all that, but I mean, I don't like mine out on the counter, and I don't really like having to pull it out all the time, so that's what I do. I was totally expecting this to be a sandwich, and then I realized I just had too many veggies, so I decided to make two different open-faced sandwiches. Very simple. One wound up being, the pickled veggies, which is basically pickled carrots, rainbow carrots, and pickles. And then the other just wound up being all the grilled veggies with a couple of the pickled carrots on top. And just sprinkle it with some nooch and some sea salt, and it's good to go. And of course, you know me, I like spice. So I added some extra sriracha.
I feel like I'm always on my bed when I get hungry for my next meal. Today is Sunday, so it's technically a chill day, but I'm also, doing some catch up from yesterday. And yeah, so now I think it's about time for dinner. It's about 6:30. So, yeah, Harley down here chilling with Mama. And I guess we'll deal with dinner now. Still very burned. At least I got dressed for the day though.
Okay, now I'm sharing with you my newest obsession, tahini sauce. This is a spicy tahini dressing, and I gotta say, I am super obsessed with it. I've tweaked it a little bit since this, but let me know if you want to see a specific video on this tahini dressing, because wow, it is so good. You have no idea. And it's so simple too. You can make like a big jar of it and just keep it around. So this seems to be a theme day, doesn't it? Market veggies galore. I just felt like having veggies for dinner. That's it. So this is just a simple saute of all of my favorite market vegetables, and that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video, dolls.